the two-seater. She hopped in, drunk smile, said it's good to see you. What you thinking about skipping downtown tonight? Race the crew back home, grab the four-wheel drive, kick a jerk rock road up through a tree line. Stop and look at her and say, you ready? Better hold on tight. Let me show you my countryside through these old headlights. We can take this road as far as you want to go. I'll show you how a country mile can take us all night. Feeling high and it pulls the tail up an old dirt road. I ain't gonna run or hide. We can let the fire burn wild. That's just my countryside. We post up on the bank, drop a tailgate, windows down in the cab, bumping the door straight. We paid a couple lines and we throw them on out. Red Bible ripple bouncing on a cool night. Fire dancing, making shadows in the moonlight. She makes me close in the bed of my truck. And I said, let me show you my countryside through these old headlights. We can take this road as far as you want to go. I'll show you how a country mile can take us all night. Wheeling high and it pulls the tail up an old dirt road. I ain't gonna run or hide. We can let the fire burn wild. That's just my countryside. Let me show you my countryside through these old headlights.